We have with us Kunal Bothra as well as Vaishali Parekh joining in on the show. Kunal, Vaishali, hi, morning to both of you. Kunal, let me come to you first. What did you make of that late hour sell-off that the market saw? And, you know, the fact that we gave up all of our gains, only IT was withstanding the green.
Good morning, Aisha. Good morning, everyone. So, we look at the first set of data points, which is change of open interest. Whether there's been a dramatic change of open interest, that generally determines that whether it's a trend which is going to last or whether it's a trend which is going to emerge as a strong, trend which could reverse the course of the market action and the rally which we've seen for the index for the last 3 to 4 months. Now, in the last 3 or 4 days, we've seen just one trend which has emerged that there's been a reduction in the open interest for Bank Nifty. Even yesterday, there was almost a 15% drop 12 to 15% drop in the open interest for the Bank Nifty futures for the current month. But there was hardly any reduction for the open interest for the Nifty futures. So that generally puts in place that maybe it's a sector-specific selling which is which is happening on the indices. So 19,500 acting as a resistance, but 45,000, 45,500 also acting as a resistance for the Bank Nifty. I think that's where the sector trends generally lie. Bank Nifty is a bit weak, and that's where you're seeing profit booking as well as long unwinding happening in the banking index. But then when we look at the sector composition, for example, yesterday what happened to these IT stocks, there was a classical unwinding of open interest for HCL Tech and built up of open interest on TCS, Infosys, etc. So that also puts in place that the market trends are now getting more tilted towards the IT stocks, at least from a short-term play. So we could now get into that balance where the Nifty could get into a consolidation zone further. The Bank Nifty may underperform, but the IT stocks and the IT index overall could probably try and pick up pace.
Vaishali, hi, morning. Yesterday was certainly commendable given the fact that we yet again scaled all-time highs on the frontline index. You did have IT at the forefront. What's your assessment of the kind of leadership that we witnessed in trade and the fact that the broader market saw a complete U-turn by the time we shut shop?
Very good morning to all of you. So, well, I'm very much in sync with what Kunal just said. Market is absolutely consolidating and view still remains positive, and you would be seeing sector rotation movement. So, IT is the focus and the goal spot right now. So, I would say that yes, most of the stocks, the frontline especially, are getting into the momentum. So, IT is the sector to look into. And now that you asked me about the frontline, Infosys, TCS, they are bucking up. I think it's a buy from here on. In fact, I have also chosen today the other IT stocks. One of them is InfoEdge. So I would be laying my bets on IT stocks.